Hi, in front of me is Motorola RAZR 5G, and today I would like to show you how you can add event to calendar on this device. Firstly, open calendar. Then tap on the month above and select a date. When you're done, click on the plus icon and choose event. Over here you can add a title, set up notifications, minutes, hours or days before, add location, people and many other things. You can even change color. When you're done, click save. As you can see, my event was successfully added. If you wanna delete it, tap at the three dots over here and choose delete. Then delete again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!